Hi everyone. So I noticed that there was some issues with logging in at home, and even when logged into Mac and Via, it's a little bit difficult to access some of the websites on the databases, the articles on the databases from SIRS or from EBSCOhost or some of the other ones that we've used. So you'll notice if you click on them, sometimes they are prompting for a username and password, even if you have logged into Mac and Via. So I found a quick go around for that. So you still want to go about, if you're trying to access a database article at home, you still want to click on the login for Mac and Via, click login with Active Directory, okay, and then you're going to log in with your Howard County username and password, okay, and then from there it'll give you the pop-up for all of the databases, pretty much everything you can access what we saw in the Media Center. So rather than just going from here and then clicking the links on SIRS or on EBSCOhost or another database site that's on here, what I found you actually have to do is actually open up the database first. So if you click the list of databases, you'll see you can find the ones that we used in class. So if you scroll down, Explora is the one you want to open for Master File Premier, and you would click the Open Now button. Okay, so if you're trying to access an article that has an icon that looks like this, you want to be able to click on the one for Explora and click Open Now. Okay, if you want to access an article that says SIRS at the bottom, what you want to do is actually scroll down. You can go to where we had SIRS knowledge source, that's what we used the other day, and you can go ahead and click Open Now. If you see one that is with Gale Group, go back up to Power Search. Okay, this is Power Search for all the Gale databases, and again, click Open Now. So these are the three main databases that we're using for this project. And at this point, if you click on a link, once those websites have been opened, you should be able to access the sites now. Worst case scenario, if you're still having trouble, remember, since this is just our first set, you can just use websites for this section of note and source cards, because the websites that are listed here, the ones that don't say SIRS or EBSCOhost or things like that, they don't need passwords or anything, so you could use those as well. And remember, you can also go straight to the databases and search there. So if you're doing depression, you might search for adolescent depression. And remember, just like we did in class with Miss Dunn in the Media Center, you can search through your own topics as well in the databases. Okay? Let me know if you have any issues, and we'll talk and see how we can get around this issue in the future, because usually just logging into Mac and Via should allow you to access this. But this doing a couple extra little steps should make it so that way you can get into the database articles that you might need. Okay? See you guys tomorrow.